bird noises. Doesn't it just give you chills down your spine when you hear it? What does it mean? It's so mysterious. My name's Eddie Venus, and me and my friends are part of a band, and we're gonna win the Wathena, Kansas rock competition. Kyle! I said not to move the camera.
Sorry, man, I broke the tripod trying to hit a hornet's nest.
My name's Crazy Kyle. Let me tell you two things about myself. One, I am crazy. Two, one time at the school dance, I spiked the punch bowl with Pedialyte. A healthy mix of glucose and sugar, baby. Got them girls hydrated real quick. Woo, crazy.
Hey, what's up? My name's Clint, but the guys like to call me Unit Bill. They call me that because when they need the more heavy equipment moved, they call on me. They all start chanting, Unit Bill, Unit Bill, Unit Bill. Ah, yeah, it really gets me going.
Yeah, I'm sick, hick. I'm 18 now, so I can buy my own cigarettes, so I don't even know why I hang around these guys.
Name's Bathwater. I'm the pianist of the group. I'm currently taking piano classes at the moment, and I don't really know how to play. But I did draw straws, so here's that.
Drawing straws is fun.
It's methodical.
It's crazy.
It's frickin' stupid.
Okay guys, now we need to draw straws for who gets to order what pizza we get. Get your straws out.
Yeah.
Now draw straws.
I won! Yeah, heckin' cool, man! Oh, okay, you know what, guys? I think we should order a Hawaiian pizza. Guys!
Personally, I like to have strawberries on my pizza. Or raspberries. Or gooseberries.
Guys, we need to write a hit song for the Wathena, Kansas rock competition by the end of this week.
A week's time to write a hit song? That's crazy stupid!
How can you say that's stupid when you can't make all the frickin' shirts the same?
Crazy, woo!
So Bathwater and I are brothers, and our father-in-law owns a small shirt design company. We drew straws for who has to make shirts for the band, and I got kicked out of Art 1, so it was kind of expected. Woo! Crazy.
Oh no! It's the rubber band!
Oh, they don't even know how to play! They're just swole!
That's literally us, except for the swole part.
We're called the rubber band because guys like us need a little bit more rubber than others, if you know what I mean.
No, we don't. What do you need rubber bands for? Biting newspapers? Nerd. Judges ready?
Huh? Yeah, we're ready.
So anyways, I was talking about continuity errors.
You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Come and laying eggs in the nest. Sweet to talons flying from the west. You'll never hear me say,
The truth is, you only thought you won.
That's not crazy.
Oh, man.
How about we draw straws for the trophy?
Yeah!
Winners get post-workout vitamin supplements. They lost!
Or blackberries, or cranberries, or really any type of berry, really.
Hey guys, how about we draw straws for another pizza?
You order Hawaiian pizza again, I'll wear your face like a bracelet.
Death come and laying eggs in the nest. Sweet to talons flying from the west. You'll never hear me say,
Crazy Kyle!
Crazy!
Oh, me? Nah, I'm not high. I'm just crazy.